going to show you how to mark up, cut out the holes and install your bath taps. Start by protecting the surfaces. I'm applying some masking tape all the way across the top. Then I'm measuring and marking in this very centre. So we need to measure the centre between the two pipes. Then transfer these marks onto your masking tape. Start off by drilling a 5mm hole through your marks. Then you're going to need a hole cutter suitable for the widths of your pipes. Then start to core out the hole. Once you've done one, place the tap through the hole just to double check that your other mark is in the correct position, and then you can repeat the same process. You can remove the bolts and washers from the pipes off your tap. Start to remove your masking tape, give it a quick sanding down where the sharp edges have been cut. Place your taps through the hole, then start to hand tighten the bolts up the thread by hand. Then you can tighten these up using a monoblock spanner. Now you're ready to place your bath into position and plumb your hot and cold feed. For more videos like this, subscribe to our YouTube channel.